You say good morning. So we're in the backyard. Already have some plants already.
Yeah.
So your girl is a plant mom. I'm gonna show you the plants that we planted already, and we're going to plant the new plants.
I love planting.
And Papa is obsessed with planting stuff. So this is our mango tree.
And the sour mango. We have 2 mango trees even in the outside of the garage.
I planted some cucumbers at the beginning of March. And that is our pepper tree right here. We're trying to plant stuff that goes together to make sure we don't have any pests and make sure our plants thrive. So we have cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes, and we have marigolds. All those are companion plants, which we're going to plant. Now we're going to plant the marigold now, the tomatoes now, and the lettuce now. All right. With this. So this is the tomato plant. This is Kyle's tomato. And then, oh, we have 6 kind of lettuce. And then this is the lettuce. I'm gonna plant the tomatoes at the back close to the fence, so if anything the tomatoes can grow on the fencing and they have support, because naturally tomatoes weigh down branches and stuff like that. So
use the lifesaver. Cut you a half tomato. Cut you. Half.
Just put it down. This needs to be bigger. Pass me the shovel, man. Thank you.
I will dance with my hands. I will dance with my hands. I will dance with my hands. Jesus said.
We need some manure. Cow dung.
Next time they will actually put it in a different spot.
So we are officially finished planting the garden. I'm going inside to eat seafood for breakfast. Still on, please. So I didn't vlog yesterday. The last time you saw us when we were planting our little garden. Today is Saturday, so I decided to go treat myself and get my nails done. Honey, I hate them. The shape is not right. The paint, the way how she paint them weird. I'm very weird. And this is why I don't do my nails very often. I'm very weird when it comes on to my nails. The shape have to be perfect. I have to have this perfect shade of nude pink. I don't know why I keep wasting my money. At least it wasn't an exorbitant amount of money. It was $45. So yeah. And the girl was asking me, do you want design, blah blah blah. I was like, I have to look at them first. As soon as I saw them, I was like, I don't need any design. But anyways, and now they're telling me that the girl that normally do my hair, that normally gets my nails perfect, I don't know why I didn't continue coming to her, but she no longer works here. So I guess I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to go do my nails now, because I absolutely hate my nails. When I say I hate my nails, no, I mean I hate my nails. They aren't horrible, but they aren't the best at all. So this is the nails. I didn't even show you guys how it looked. I insist on wasting my money. The shape isn't right. I wanted a tapered square. This is not a tapered square.
Solid food.
Oh wow, no.
Anything top shelf in that for freeze. All the yogurt.
Wow. I don't think this one is gonna move or fit.
Oh no, hard.
Wow.
Stay away from one. Yeah, stay away from one. You buy Pinot Grigio. That must be for me alone.
Yeah, I already know so. your girl have Amazon packages to return, and I also have Sephora VIB sale going on, so that's what I'm gonna do today.
We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find a new drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by 9, then off past 5. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation. I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody. I'ma do my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. B is back and I'm sleeping real good at night. Queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside, in case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I done found me a new foundation, yeah. Trigger my new salvation. And I'ma build my own foundation, yeah.
So I got some stuff from Ulta and some stuff from Sephora. I'm probably gonna get more stuff from Sephora, but online, because I have a cold Sephora. They never have anything. So Ulta, I got the Miley and honey coating custard. I actually have the mousse, which is what I use in my hair all the time now. I got me 2 Good Molecule Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. One for in the house, one for my bag. Elf oil. Infallible Pro Night. La Roche-Posay. And Huda Beauty Concealer, Tulip Pencil, and Glow Recipe. So after I did my returns and I did a little bit of shopping, I went and got me some flowers and I arranged my flowers beautifully. I also got my favorite wine, which is the Stella Rose Black wine, and I got myself some sushi. I didn't feel like cooking, so I got the kids what they wanted, which was pizza and chicken wings. And we ended our Sunday beautifully. I made sure my daughter here was combed for the week, and we went to bed peaceful, happy. Alright, so
Video and subscribe. Watch the video and subscribe. Peace.
Peace.